Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So you're gonna need 1 teaspoonful of baking soda. Then you're gonna need about half teaspoonful of honey. Now I'm gonna mix everything up. As the honey is on the thicker side, I'm gonna come in with just a little bit of water. This is gonna help soften it up and make mixing very easy. So as you can see, it's all mixed up now and is ready to be used. So starting from a clean face, I'll just put my fingers inside and just rub it on my face. Don't forget your neck area, your chin area, under the eyes and all that. Now this is one great natural anti-aging remedy. Both honey and baking soda contain brightening properties, and it helps get rid of hyperpigmentation and acne marks. This is a form of a gentle exfoliation. As you know, the baking soda has got very fine grains, and this is very great for exfoliation. Now afterwards, I'm gonna leave it on my face for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna wash it off using water. You don't need soap. It gives you that instant brightness. It lights up your face and you can see the difference immediately. You can do this about 2 times a week and you are gonna thank me later. This is also a very good remedy for acne. So I hope you like this, and I hope you're gonna give it a try. If you've not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.